How's the taste? Hey guys, it's me, Kuya Milton, and today we're going to be making a boba avocado shake.
In the Philippines, it's very common to eat avocado as dessert. So, we're going to be making an avocado shake.
We only need 5 ingredients, so it's super simple. Boba, condensed milk, dark brown sugar, ice, and of course, avocado. Let's get started. First step, we're gonna make our boba. Follow the instructions on your boba packaging, but I'm gonna show you how I make my boba. 1 cup of boba to boiling water. Once it boils again and the boba starts going up to the surface, cover, put to low. After 10 minutes, we're gonna turn off the heat, mix again, and then cover. After 10 minutes, we're gonna drain and rinse our boba. Add back your boba. Put it back on the fire and cover. Once it starts boiling, we're gonna lower our heat again. After 10 minutes, drain until the water is just above the boba. Add 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. And once it starts boiling again, you're gonna cook it until it looks like this. See how nice and thick that got? That means all the sugar is caramelized. We're gonna just let that rest until it's cool enough to use. Now we're gonna assemble our shake. 1 cup of water. Add 3 tablespoons of condensed milk. Now we're gonna take a ripe avocado, cut it in half. Ooh, look at that, perfect. Add all of your avocado, it's like butter. 3 cups of ice. Now we blend. Okay guys, we got our avocado shake right here and we got our delicious boba. Look at our boba after resting, nice and thick. We're gonna add our boba first and put it all the way at the bottom. Now we're gonna put some caramel on the sides, just like that. Ooh, look at that. And now our avocado shake. Boom. Perfect. Don't forget the boba straw. And there you have it, the ultimate avocado with boba shake. Oh my gosh, doesn't it look creamy? You got the beautiful boba at the bottom, you got the caramel on the side, and you got a nice, thick and creamy avocado. That looks so good. Now, it doesn't matter how's the look. What matters is, how's the taste? This is my wife, her favorite drink. We're gonna let her try it. Okay, Mariane, I wanna give you something to try.
Avocado shake. Wow, how'd you do it? It looks so good. Look at this. Ooh. Perfect. The avocado taste is so flavorful. It's not too sweet. It's just perfect. The boba is so good. So chewy. I really love boba. So creamy. I love it. Thank you, love. Shut up.
Okay guys, that's it for this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below for whatever recipes you'd like to see me do next. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye!
Hey, what's wrong?
Oh, nothing. It's just I invited somebody to try the shake, but... Wait a minute. Let me check. Oh my god!
Hi, it's me, Bella.
Huh?
I'm here to taste the avocado.
What? Bella, of course! You came!
Can I come in?
Yes, come on in.
I'm so excited. Let's try it. It's so good. You love the taste of this avocado shake, so you should try this at home.
How's the taste?
You're old.
I see this pig just sitting there, and I'm like,
You're
no,
old.
oh no, oh no.
Dito sa Pilipinas,
You're old.
kapag
You're
nakita
old.
ng may bisita, hindi nagustuhan
You're
yung
old.
inihanda namin. Iba siguro may
Surprise!
I think I have a good choice.
Bruh.